Now, what if we have integral of a k times variable to the power n dx, where k is a number? In this case, we can take the k out of the integral. So the answer will be k integral x to the power n dx. Then we can solve normally for this integral. So it will be k times x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 dx. Let us take an example. Integral, for example, 3x to the power 2 dx. This equals, I will have to take the 3 out, so I will write 3. Now I have to do integration for x squared dx. Now the integration for this will be x to the power of 2 plus 1, which is a 3, divided by that, plus c. I can cancel this out. So the answer is x cubed plus c. Now it's your turn. Try to solve this question, then check your answer. Integral 8x cubed dx. So let us focus on the x cubed. So we will have 8 times x, 3 plus 1 is 4, divided by 4, plus c. Now I can cancel this out. I will have 2 left. So the integral for this question will be 2x to the power 4 plus c. One more example. Integral of 5x to the power 6 dx. So the answer will be 5 times x to the power, now 6 plus 1 is 7, so I have to put 7 and divide by that, plus c. What about this question? Integral 2x dx. Now here we have an invisible 1, so we will use the same technique. So it will be 2x to the power 1 plus 1 is 2, and divide by that, plus c. Now this will cancel out, so the answer will be x squared plus c. Try to solve this question. Integral 1 over x squared dx. To solve this question, let us first rewrite the question. So we will write integral. So basically 1 over x squared is same as x to the power negative 2 dx, right? So now simply let us use the same technique. I will write the variable x, and I have to add 1 to the exponent. So minus 2 plus 1 is negative 1, and I have to divide by that number plus c. So let us simplify it. So we'll have negative 1 over x plus c.